Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're making peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Never made them before, but they sound really good, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Anyways, first things first, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Super simple recipe, so it won't take long until we actually need the oven. Then we're gonna take some parchment paper and just put it on a cookie sheet. Okay, then first things first, it's gonna be 1 cup of brown sugar. So just got my 1 cup right here, and it's just all going into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Now the thing with brown sugar is you want it to be packed down. Unlike everything else, you want it to be, like with regular sugar and flour, obviously it's just loose, but this you want to pack it down. There we go, 1 cup. And then it's going to be 1 cup peanut butter. Now, right here, I just have just peanuts smooth, so it's just all natural peanut butter with only peanuts in it, not anything else. So it's a little bit liquidy and a little bit oily, but may as well just do 1 cup of that. Okay, there we go. That's 1 cup. Okay, then you're just gonna put the 1 cup in with the brown sugar. Make sure you get it all in there. So I originally saw this recipe on TikTok, and then I just made a little bit of a change to it just to give it its own little flair. Don't need to do this, but I'm just gonna break up the brown sugar a little bit. Put the rest of the ingredients in. So then it's going to be 1 egg. Make sure you don't get any shell in there. Okay, then after that, it's going to be 1 teaspoon baking soda. So I just have all my little spoons here. This is 1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1 teaspoon. Baking soda will help it rise. There we go. Put that in. And then also 1 teaspoon of vanilla. There we go. And then the last ingredient is chocolate chips, but I'm just going to stir this up real quick first before I put the chocolate chips in. Doesn't matter how you stir it up, just mix it all up so that it's actually all mixed together really evenly. I like to hold my bowls. Just because it gives it a little more traction, I find, so that it's not moving all around. I love peanut butter cookies. So this is what it looks like now. You can see that. I'm playing with the light here because I don't have a light on, I just have the sun. Okay, and it's going to be 1/2 cup chocolate chips. So I've got my chocolate chips right here. And it's just a 1/4 cup just because I still don't know where my 1/2 cup is. So that's 1/2 cup in. And then another 1/2. There we go. Then we'll stir it up. If it's ever getting stuck with this, also make sure you wash your hands at the very beginning. But if it's ever getting stuck with this, just push it off. And keep stirring. You want all the chocolate chips to be in there, really nice and mixed. Now this is all mixed together. See, and it looks like that. So let's see. I think this recipe is supposed to make 12, but don't quote me on that. Just realized you guys can't see. and that means that it's now preheated. I'm gonna just make sure that they're equal size so that they will cook evenly, and so that some aren't, if they're some that are really small and some that are really big, it'll some will burn while others are still not cooked yet. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. So now I'm just gonna pop them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes and then check on them. So I just took the cookies out of the oven and they look delicious. I don't know if you can see them. Now, these are gonna be really soft cookies, so they're not just gonna like pick up off of the tray afterwards. If you lift them up, you can see that they're golden underneath, and that's kind of a telltale sign that they're done. I did it a little longer. I did, I think, 11 minutes in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave these to cool for about 10 minutes, and then they should be good and ready to eat. But first, I'll give you a close-up. Look at how yummy those look. All right, so we'll cool them and then we'll try them. So the cookies have cooled, and I'm really excited to try one. I'm gonna go for this one, just because I kind of broke it apart a little bit trying to test it. Okay, still a little bit hot, so it's still a little crumbly, but like just look at that. Okay, wow, it's really good. Wow, I'm gonna eat like all 12 of these. Wow, they're so good. Oh my gosh, okay. I've never had a peanut butter cookie with chocolate chips in it, but it is honestly amazing. So thanks for watching today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and you guys try this out because they're really yummy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and you can comment down below and subscribe, and the recipe will be in the description box in case you don't want to watch the whole video or you just want it like somewhere easy written down. So that'll be down there. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.